Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddStamps.com, and today I'm here to do a Destash video. So I've never done it this way before, but I thought what a great time to come on. I've got products that I just need to move to somebody that wants to use them. I haven't used them for a while. And this way I can actually show you what's in the box. Now I've set my prices pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with them, and I think you will be too. So I'm going to flip my camera. We're going to go through what I have. And then I will link in the description a website that you can go to and actually look and see what I have. And then there's a form there to fill out. And what I do is I populate it into a spreadsheet so I know what time everybody signed up. And then I'll go through and keep it updated as best I can. Sometimes these go fast and furiously at the beginning. And I'll keep it updated. And then once I get your list and what you want, I'll send you a PayPal invoice that you can either pay, or you can just text me or email me and let me know that you want to pay by check. That's fine too. I do Venmo, check, or PayPal. So I'm trying to think if I've forgotten anything. I don't think I did. You will pay shipping, and shipping will be a flat fee of $10 no matter how much you get. I will put it into a package, a padded envelope, and ship it off to you. And so let's get started. All right, so we're going to start with stamp sets, and all the stamp sets are $10. And I'm just going to grab some here and we'll just get started. So I have You Are Remarkable. So you can see they are used, but not very much, barely used. Some of them are in the older cases. This one is Blooming Phrases, Merry Christmas, Seasonal Tags. I only use the one. So like I said, these are used, but they're also not very used very often. This one I didn't use at all. I'm always sad when I find those kinds of stamp sets because I really had good intentions. Gifts of Joy. I don't even think I used that one. Love and Courage, I use this one. This is a red rubber stamp. I didn't put my stickers on any of my stamps. You can do that if you choose to. I just chose not to, because usually when I get a stamp set and I open it up, I want to play with it right away. Natural Botanicals, I thought this was going to be really fun and I was going to have a great time with it, and I never actually broke it open. It's sad. Love and Strength has not been used. Stickers are in there. And these are the last few here. With You in Mind, used but barely. The Right Words is a cling stamp. I've been using them, but the stickers are not on them, so you can do that yourself. And Lasting Linen, which I may have used once or twice. So, and that's in the new folder. All right, so those are the stamps. Let me grab the bundles. Bundles are $25 a piece. They come with the stamp set and the dies. Dies are all in there. So you can see what goes together. I keep them banded together with a rubber band just so that they don't get lost in the shuffle. All right, this one is paper tags. I used a couple of the stamps. The stickers are in here. The dies are all there. So I've already checked everything and all the dies are still there. Endless Love. I did use this one. Oh yeah, you can see it's stained, but they still work great. And those are the dies. This was a fun set. Easter Basket, this was kind of a popular set and it did go out fast. There's the dies. Here is the stamps. Used, but not very much. Gathering Moments, this was a good one. This is a red rubber. Stickers are in there. Dies are there too. Homemade Treats. I did use this one. This is a red rubber. And then the dies to go with it. That was a fun one. All right, let me grab some more because I got them in another bucket. I just want to make sure I have everything. All right. So we've got Delightful Wishes, which has been used. And the dies are all there. Layers of Beauty. This is a great set. I love this one. This was this great stamp set. And then it also came with masks and dies. And they're all there. Everything is together. So that's a good deal. More messages. This is the one that had the big die that did all the labels. And I actually just love this one, even if I wasn't using it with the sentiments. But it's a great stamp set. It cuts them all out at the same time. So you can ink them all up and cut them all out at the same time. Delicate Pines. This was one of those that I really thought I was going to get to do a lot with. I did some with it, but not enough. So that one's practically new. Fluffy Squirrel. I did use this one as my last year's retreat stamp set, and I had fun with it, covering nuts and all kinds of stuff. And that comes with the punch. And then we've got Petals of Beauty, which is in the new packaging with the dies. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, these are stained. These are definitely stained, but stain doesn't matter. They still work. And the last bundle I have is Gallery Blooms, which this was a fun. Oh yeah, this is the one with the frames. This was kind of a cool set. So it has several frames and then all the die cuts. And like I said, they're all there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Let me get this back in here. I don't want to get anything too messed up. So those are all the bundles. Now we're going to move on to, let's see what else I got here. Embossing folders, lots of them. All right, so embossing folders. The embossing folders were, like these are, I think these were $3. Pressed flowers, all in a row, still in the package. Countryside Blossoms. It says $5, but that's wrong. That was at my sale. It's either 3 or 4. I can't remember. You have to look on the sheet. All right. Then the rest of these are 4. So we have Distressed Tile 3D, Country Weave 3D, Painted Texture 3D, Layered Florals 3D, Exposed Brick 3D, I like that one, Lovely Stripes 3D, Snowflake 3D, Timber 3D. Here's one I never took out of the package. Don't look at the price because it's not $5, it's $4. Merry Melody, Birchwood, Plastered Painting, Dotted Circles, and Gathering Leaves. So those are the embossing folders. I have a few more things here. I have a couple of die sets. So these were awesome. Textured Notes. This is one of my favorite die sets. Has all those frames in it with lots of texture. And these dies are 15. Countryside Corners is a great one. Lots of layering dies in there. That one is 15. And then Give It a Whirl, never even been opened. $10. All right. Now I have punches. So I'll start with this punch, this jar, mason jar. I don't know if you can see that, but I also have a package of mason jar shaker domes to go with it. And then I've got this petal, I can't remember what it's called. This is a Halloween, never been opened. Halloween punch, hasn't even been opened. A Ladybug Builder punch, hasn't been opened. Punches are actually $8. They're marked 10, but I'm dropping prices, so they're 8. Dragonflies and Petals and Leaves, I believe it's called. And then the last one is this Christmas light bulb. I could not find it, but I don't even know if I have it on my list. But that one I'd let go for $5. All right, that's it. That's my D-stash. I have lots of stuff. If you have questions, feel free to contact me. I'm going to get this all set up and sent out. And the day that I send it out, which is probably today, I will stay close to my website and close to my email so that I can get information quickly and get things out to you. I plan to mail stuff as soon as it's paid for. I'll get it out the next day for sure, maybe even the same day, because I want to get this stuff moving. Anyway, I'm not quitting Stampin' Up. I'm just destashing my stamp room. I do it every couple months just because, and I want my stuff to go to people that want to use it. All right, take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.